Hello everyone, let's make these mutton sandwiches. This is a very unique recipe and I hope you all will like it. For that we have to boil the meat, strain it and keep the stock. Put some oil in a pan with some butter and some flour, then some milk. Stir everything so it doesn't form lumps. Put the stock we made from the mutton. Then add the mutton shredded and some capsicum with some salt, chicken powder, black pepper, soy sauce. Stir everything and cook until the water dries and it makes a paste like this. Put them on bread slices. I use brown slices, you can use the white ones as well. Make a sandwich. In another bowl, mix eggs with some milk, salt, black pepper, cornflour. Dip the sandwich and put it in a pan with some oil. Cook until it's golden brown. Then flip it over. And your sandwiches are ready. The quantity is in the description box. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe.